And folks, here we are at Puerto Plata. Wait, Puerto Plata. But this is the fort in Puerto Plata. Enjoy the show. Hey, there's the group that walked. Hi guys, miss ya. Puerto Plata.
Well, it looks cleaner than in the river.
Some tells you they're gone, they're done.
You think?
What do you think? What do you think the stands for?
No, I think they're together. They're probably getting a little tipsy. But the hard part is paying for alcohol when you got free alcohol right there. But they'll be here. It's hot.
Oh my God, they will scoop her up.
He just got his haircut at the barber.
He goes from Mountain,
Huh? Yeah, he is, yeah. Well, he lives like that.
Elbows
Canadian.
The elbows up. But he got his haircut at a barber shop.
Oh, yeah.
Last time, in October.
Same barbershop. Yeah. Same barber? I love that. I
Meeting elsewhere. There was a big line that said if you
yeah, we were here in November on a cruise ship on the Virgin. And anyway, I got my haircut then, and then I went to the same barber shop, the same barber. So yeah, so I just got this all set up.
How you doing, Mike? Hanging in there. She's stiffening up. Excuse me, ma'am. What does these mean? Coconut, organic, that's organic. Smells so good.
Oh, really?
Hello, hello.
I'm going to share with you very quickly the process the coffee and shower. In the picture, this is the process of the coffee. The coffee tree takes 2 years to grow the first flower from all the plants. It flowers every year about 20 to 30 years. From the flower to the coffee beans takes 7 to 9 months pesticide-free attitude. After that, the harvest begins about 3 months.
Yeah, I can get some.
Should I get like some, like just the way they do?
That's what I was saying to Michelle, like, look, I'm not, I just think it's crazy.
You guys don't mind if you're in my film, do you?
No, not at all. Actually, I wanted to be in.
And be like, so let me ask your honest opinion. What flavor it tastes like?
Like, it tastes almost like watered down coffee.
Very watered down.
You get that too?
It's just,
I think they put a little sprinkle of coffee.
I think we got cream.
I should know what to do.
Cubano coffee, more pretty strong.
They're chocolate. I gave us a little sample. It tastes like 100% cocoa. It's really good. We thought we drink this would be. So the coffee tastes horrible. It's like water. But Jim bought it, so it was free. And here we are, drinking hot coffee in the Dominican Republic.
Nice hot coffee in the Dominican Republic. Keep us nice and warm, nice and toasty here.
Nobody said it was a bad idea.
Nobody told us not to do this.
But here we are.
Should have.
And are we gonna fit in there?
The version on the side of the way to the car.
We better get in here, huh?
Go throw one.
Yeah, we better. I don't know. We seen, we came, we saw. Let's go.
Got the video.
We're good. We don't need to walk through, do we?
Get your asses down that alley.
So we ended up coming down. It's very hot, humid, for the coffee. Yeah. Silly us, silly us. But we all made it to Pink Street. Clear. So you guys have walked here before, right?
Yeah, we were here.
So local here. Huh?